Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri hagajingnya keren bat kilat pathai khubor haga press conference ula pentip ba kumbakalong minta kila don arngut ki MLA ki badan ya gajing temu ban penyeso bat kaseng BJP bat ya minta nakaliang jong kaseng ka haban pechwa bat ki habru ban ya keren bat kini ki MLA ki bat temu ban penyeso bat kaseng Hagani kasngi kaseng BJP kala penbenaru ba kala Thaw ya ke Election Management Committee kabadai ke committee kaban kmi ya ke election kaban salong host nem arajar arpulai ha kaba hagani ke committee kinya don lang uba sanbor sulai minister jong ke sarkar jilla ba AL Hek MLA uba Himalaya Muktan Shangplyang MLA bat kiwei Shishu hagani ka sngi ne kaliang jong ke BJP kala pediang sngob haru ya ki khot bathmai jong ke seng ki balawan ban penya so menhinin ka sngi she ka seng BJP harengkat ka jinga don lang jong menteri rangba ka Assam Himanta Viswa Sarma haga program ka balapan long hanong ba New Delhi bat menta ka sngi pat na kaliang jong ka seng BJP Meghalaya State Unit kala pediang sngob ha ya gini ki MLA haga office traikam jong ka seng ka badan haslong
Once again from the Meghalaya BJP Madhya Pradesh, we welcome them. And after joining yesterday in Delhi, in the presence of the Honorable CM of Assam, and they have been received by the National President also, JP Nalaji. And today, from the Meghalaya Pradesh BJP, we welcome here in our office, state office, and it is great day for us all, for the party in Meghalaya. So today we have called this press conference just to announce the Election Management Committee, which are already approved by the National President, Shri J.P. Nadaji. So you know we are the national party, we have certain guidelines, and we have to follow the party constitution. Since we are going to face the general election, nearly now left only 2 months, so we have to form the different committee. We have already formed the State Election Committee, the Finance Committee, and now today we are going to announce this Election Management Committee. This is the office order. As per directive and approval of the BJP headquarters, the state president has constituted the Election Management Committee for the ensuing Meghalaya State Assembly election 2023 with the following party officials. Serial number, department, designation and name. So I'll go one by one. Serial number 1, Election Management Committee. Here we have the convener, Shri Ilekshon, the co-convener, Shri David Cassidy, and the other co-convener, Shri Rikman Momin, and one more co-convener, Shri Rupam Kaswami. Then followed by the serial number 2, department, designation and name. Election Office, licensing with Election Department. Convener, co-convener, Shri Nitin Khera. Another co-convener, Shri Sharad Bauri. And one more co-convener, Shri Bokul C.H. Hajong. Then I come to serial number 3, that is a call center. Convener, Shri George Clarence C. Norbert. Co-convener, Srimati Sujata Bandari. Serial number 4, Office Management. Convener, Miss Arundhati Paul. Co-convener, Srimati Deepika Dale. Then I come to serial number 5, that is Security. Convener, Shri Nitin Khera. And co-convener, Shri Raju Lambu. And I'm coming to serial number 6, that is Media Department. The convener, Shri H.M. Shangplyang. Co-convener, Shri Pramod Jain. And one more co-convener, Shri Ankur Kumar. Come to serial number 7, that is media relation. Convener Shri Dipan Chakravarti, co-convener Ankur Kumar, another one co-convener Shri Justice EM, and one more co-convener Shri Daulat Marat. Then serial number 8, that is Department of Legal Matters and Election Committee. Convener Shri SP Manto, Advocate, and co-convener Advocate Mewakir Lingdong. Then we have come to serial number 9, that is Literature Printing. Convener Shri Pawan Sharma, co-convener Shri Swapan Paul, another co-convener Ms. Arundhati Paul, and one more co-convener, that is Shri Ram Shabong. Serial number 10, Publicity. Convener Kagan Jain, co-convener Shri Bipin Pradhan, another one co-convener Srimati Shabnam Sahi. Serial number 11, Shutterfly. Convener Shri Arvind Prasad Yadav, co-convener Shri Arun Kumar. Come to serial number 12, Tour Program of National Leaders and State Leaders. Convener Shri G.C. Nombet and co-convener Dainan Singh. Serial number 13, Art Campaign, all time. Convener Shri Kagan Jain, co-convener Srimati Unisi Kriyam. Serial number 14, Resource. Convener Shri Sanbor Shulai, Minister, and co-convener Shri Elhek MLA. Serial number 15, Account. Convener Shri Sarwan Junjunwala, co-convener Shri Ashok Sikharia. Come to serial number 16, Department of Manifesto. Convener Shri Sanbor Shulai, Minister, co-convener Shri H.M. Champliang, MLA, co-convener Shri Lakhon Viam, MDC, co-convener Shri Bernard Barak, MDC, another co-convener Shri Edmond K. Sangma, Chief Spokesperson, another co-convener Shri Basairam Khongwil, and one more co-convener Shri Krabok Basaumai, and last co-convener Shri Krishnan Langstan, MDC. Serial number 17, co-convener Shri Pramod Jain, and one more co-convener Ankur Kumar. 18, Press Protocol and Arrangement. Convener Shri Arvind Prasad Yadav, co-convener Wilbur Dango, and another one co-convener Shri Wankit Bok Poshna. Serial number 19, Department of Mahila Kalyan. Convener Srimati Judy Surong, co-convener Srimati Daryun Marbanyang, and one more co-convener Shri Ragi Samma. So this is the Election Management Committee, which we have to sit from time to time, and we have given responsibility to all the members and the MLA, and this MLA, those who are present here, again will assign them with the new assign, which we have to notify and get approval from ready. And all the MLA sitting here in the dais, they have their own responsibility.